Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 650 twin-cylinder fuel-injected sport bike. This one's got the smoke windscreen, brand new tires, only 6,800 miles on this beautiful metallic green and black Ninja. It's got the fender eliminator. Price to sell quickly at just $52.99. Come on by, make your sport bike dreams come true. This gorgeous Ninja 650. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.